Your Notion workspace keeps you focused on what matters, but without KrispCall, you're still stuck with time-consuming manual work to track and handle call activities. When you integrate KrispCall with Notion, your contacts, call logs, notes, and recordings auto-sync into Notion. And you can even make calls and send SMS with the KrispCall dialer right inside your workspace. Here's how you can connect these two AI-powered platforms in a few quick, easy steps. Simply sign up and log in to your KrispCall account. Then go to Settings, navigate to Integrations, and search for Notion. When you click Connect, you'll be redirected to a Notion pop-up asking for permission to access certain information. Now, click Select Pages, then Allow Access. That's it. The integration is connected successfully. Next, in Integration Settings, customize your data sync preferences with just a few clicks. In General Settings, toggle to enable or disable sync options for contacts and notes. In Workflow Settings, select the specific log actions you want to sync to Notion. And in Connected Numbers, add one or more numbers for calls and SMS to be used with Notion. Once you're done, start by creating or importing contacts in KrispCall. Then head over to your Notion account. After integration, a private KrispCall workspace is created automatically, and all those contacts are auto-synced in real time without any extra effort. Now you're ready to make calls without leaving your Notion workspace. Before you do, install the KrispCall dialer extension in your browser. Then click the KrispCall icon beside a number and select the call option. When the dialer opens, you can start conversations with your business prospects without extra hassle. During calls, you can take notes that sync to KrispCall logs in the private workspace created earlier, along with call logs, recordings, and SMS activities. Sending an SMS within Notion works the same way. Click the KrispCall icon, choose the SMS option, then type your message in the dialer and send it. You don't have to stay busy managing missed calls either. Voicemail recordings sync as links in logs, so you can quickly access full context, respond with clarity, and minimize the gap between your phone system and Notion workspace. That's how KrispCall's integration with Notion keeps your business less busy, by automating call activities so you can focus on making and receiving calls, adding notes on the go, and sending SMS. Keep everything organized and accessible where you need it. Visit KrispCall.com and integrate with Notion today.